Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm in Australia and I've got the fan on because I don't want to now I've got this parcel. I'm too hot not to have the fan on, and I'm just hoping that you'll be able to hear me talking. Some people, I have a couple of comments saying that they couldn't hear me, but I just hope that you can. Now this parcel I got today is from, and I'm just attacking it, okay? It says it's from B. I don't know how to say your name, darling. I'm so sorry. Her name is Beata, is it? And she is from she's an international subscriber, and I'm so sorry. I will write down where you're from. I cannot say those words, I'm sorry. I've seen your work up on here and you always comment on my work, and I'm so grateful that you entered my challenge. And Beata is your name, and I'm sorry darling, I don't know how to pronounce that, and I hope that I'm going to have to go and learn, aren't I? I feel bad about that. You got another packet around that packet, so she was looking after this for me really good, wasn't she? Keeping it safe. Oh dear. Thank you so much. A lovely card. Look at the parcel. Oh, look at that. There's a nice look at this bird on there. Sonya. Oh wow, see, look at the bunny. Isn't that cool? Oh, you fussy cat, all the Easter bunny. Dear Sonia, happy Easter to you and your family, and all the best to you. Thank you for this wonderful challenge. Look at this, she's got these good edges on here, look. Aren't they cool? Oh, isn't that nice? And she's made this beautiful card. I feel bad I can't say your name, darling. I feel so bad. I've heard it before with other people, and you'll have to forgive me, please. I'm sorry. And I've got a really neat Easter bunny, and that might say something about it. That might say Happy Easter or something, does it? In another language that I no idea how to say. Isn't he beautiful? Thank you so much. You've gone to so much trouble cutting him out there many times and put him there for me. And this beautiful, you've put this nice, pretty sparkly all around the outside. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much. That's very, very lovely of you to make me that lovely card. Thank you so much. Oh dear, look at this. Beata, is that how you say your name? I don't know. Look, oh wow, isn't this awesome? Oh look, I got a dear little bouquet. I'm going to turn that up there. Isn't this beautiful? I love this. Look at that. I love that. And this. These flowers are nice, aren't they? And a lovely little bow. Oh, thank you so much for this beautiful bouquet. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you. And this piece of lace is absolutely awesome. Isn't this lovely? I'll have to carefully sit down and press him out with a wet cloth on top of it till I get it back to straight, because I will want to use it, you know. I will want to. Thank you so much. Isn't that beautiful piece? Lovely colour. Beautiful colour. Thank you so much. And this here too, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at this. My goodness me. I think you might have sent me a bit much. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Oh, I love this. Oh, look at the material. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm just going to look at it. Isn't it lovely? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, it's everything I like on there, hey? Oh, I'm excited to look at another bit and another bit. Look at this one. Oh, wow. It's like a postcard. It says a postcard across the top, and it's got, oh dear, isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. That's beautiful. And this one? Love the hearts. Oh, thank you. Oh dear. Oh, look at this one. Oh, each piece is just so good. Oh no, it's upside down. That's right. So it's right. Alice in Wonderland. Oh well. And this one here is a travel sort of one, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's got bus on it and a tree and people. And here's another piece with a lady on a bike in a dress. And isn't this awesome? Thank you so much. Oh dear. Oh dear, I'm glad you can't count. One, count, one. You've got all these beautiful pieces. Thank you so much. They are absolutely lovely. Look at this. I'm really probably rushing a bit trying to get to the next piece just to look. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, isn't this so beautiful? Thank you so much. It is so lovely. Thank you. Every piece, and a butterfly piece. Oh my goodness me. And I've never seen any of these before, because I suppose you're coming from another country. And look at that. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. And you've sent me it all. This is beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that, people. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Oh, isn't this beautiful? Thank you so much. It's such a lovely piece. Oh dear. I don't know if I like to cut them. Oh, but I do want to add them into something that I can just sit there and look at. Oh dear, there's miles more. Oh dear, thank you. Oh my God, it's me. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? Oh dear. Oh dear me, look at this. Oh, I do like that so much. Oh dear. Oh dear, thank you so much. Look at it. Oh, there's miles. Oh, there's miles and miles. Thank you. I'm behaving really bad now. I've lost control of myself. It's where I'd never seen fabric before in my life, but I really do love it, and I really enjoy it so much. But what it does get me is you people are so kind to share with me these beautiful things that you've sent me. This is so nice of you to share with me these things. Really so nice. Look at this one too. Oh dear, I like that too. I do. I like every last piece. I just really do. Thank you so much. Oh dear darling, thank you. This is such a beautiful parcel. Every parcel was so beautiful. This one just keeps going on, doesn't it? It's amazing. Oh, it's so lovely. Look at this one here. Oh, I watch some people making things, you know, and we get nice fabric here. Don't misunderstand me. We don't even have a fabric shop anymore, and most of what I've collected up hasn't got nice flowers and things on it like these. I've got a lot of different sorts of bits and pieces, but the florals are so nice, and they're really hard to come by, I think, that, you know, and they are so nice. I mean, if I could travel somewhere out of the town, but I don't really like to. Look at this one. Oh wow. Oh, I love that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh dear. Oh, thank you so much. This is beautiful. Thank you so much for these, Beata. I think that's how you say your name. I hope I could call you B, if that's okay. I don't know. You're so kind. Thank you so much for sharing all this with me. It is so beautiful. I love every last piece. Every last piece. And this piece is like that bit, so my eyes went straight to this bit. Oh, look at it. Oh, wow. Oh, dear, this is good, isn't it? Oh, dear, this is lovely. Thank you so much. I've got some sort of thing going on in my brain. I can't remember what it is, but it was something I've seen. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, thank you. Oh dear, thank you so much. These so lovely, these pieces are. Look at it. Oh, I'm not going to be able to make the most amazing things. My goodness, look at this too, and this. Oh, wait till I show my husband. He'll say, settle down. Oh my goodness, I got so much beautiful stuff from you people. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, I love this. This is like a what do you call it? I know. Yes, I do. A flannelette sort of thing. It's a flannelette and it's floral. I've bought plain and check and things like that, but I've never bought a floral one. I did make. Oh dear, that is so nice. Wow. Oh my goodness me, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh dear, I hope you haven't turned off the thing. I hope I haven't scared you all away. But I really do love this, and I really, really thank you so much for sharing this with me. Oh dear. This is just beautiful. Every last piece is just so lovely. Thank you so much for this. I really love it. I don't know how many times I've said that. Oh dear. Oh, it's all so beautiful. Look at it, everybody. Look. Isn't it lovely? I'm lucky. Gee, I'm lucky. Thank you. I think I'm so lucky. Thank you so much. Oh dear. Oh, you people are so nice. Thank you, Pete. This is beautiful. Oh, darling, I just love every bit of it. Look at it. Isn't it all so good? Look. Oh dear, I'll have to go and spend the afternoon looking at all these things you sent me today. I really will. Oh, look at it all. Isn't it so nice? Thank you so very, very much for this. I'm sort of... I'm going to have to get a drink of water now. I just can't... I just can't get over that. Thank you so much for sending me all this most amazing things. And this piece that you've wrapped it in too. Look at it. Isn't this awesome? Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll sit here and cuddle it. Thank you. I really appreciate that, darling. Thank you so much for that beautiful parcel. Thank you. And we'll talk to you later. I better go now. Bye-bye.